Hello students, today we are going to start with our new topic probability. See, this topic probability we have learned in both the classes, that is 9th standard and 10th standard. Now this PPT I have just made common for both the classes, wherein we will learn only the basic concepts where the probability questions is mostly asked. Okay, afterwards according to the exercise I will make the separate lectures for both the classes. Now here in these cases, first one, what is probability? See, you have seen the cricket match. In that, before deciding which team will start first, the chance has been given by tossing the coin. The captain which has been winning the toss will decide whether he has to bat or he will ball. Okay, so this way the chances has been given by tossing a coin is also called as probability. Okay, it is possible that he may get the chance or he may not get the chance. Similarly, in many cases we can see children are also using, when there is least possible to decide who will start first or who will do the work first, that time they are just tossing the coin. This is a common thing which is being done because coin is available with everyone. Okay, now here what we have to learn it is how likely something is to happen. See the first line which I made, likely word. Likely means the possibilities. It can also be called as assumption or also called as supposition. That is, we are not sure that it will happen, but it is possible that it may happen. So it may happen more nearly to predict according to our prediction, or it may not happen, that we are not certain that it may happen, just we are taking a chance. Okay, see the meaning. Many events can't be predicted with total certainty. We cannot say that it will happen. So that time we are just predicting कि काश ऐसा हो सकता है. वो जो prediction है उसको समझने के लिए we are going to learn about things in this lesson. Okay, the best we can say is how likely they are happening. Okay, using the idea of probability. Nowadays this concept is included in the maths because this is not only used in maths but widely it is used in other areas also, such as biology, economics, genetics, physics, where this concept is more used. Okay, now I'll come to formula. What is the probability of an event? You can write it in the short form P and bracket E. E stands for event, where number of ways it can happen upon total number of outcomes. That is, you can see in the picture there are two extreme corners, 0 and 1. You can see now 0 means it is not at all possible to happen, and 1 means we are sure. See, if I am telling you sun rises in the west, is it possible? No, it is not possible. So it is an impossible event. तो इसका probability क्या बन जाएगा? 0. But if I am telling sun rises in the east, so it is possible. So it is a certain event or sure event. So it is called as probability equals to 1. Same way, if it is nearer to the 1, it is likely to happen, most likely to happen. If it is nearer to 0, it is less likely. That is, we can say unlikely. Okay. Next is, you can see a small dice over here. You see picture in that 1. See the 1 appearing on the face of a dice is chances is only 1. So the possibility, or we can say the probability, will become 1 by 6. Also here balls are there. Total 5 balls are there, and the chances of getting 4 blue color balls are 4. So the possibility will be 4 by 5. So here probability is always equal to or lies between 0 and 1. We cannot go beyond 0 or 1. So probability of an event is either greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 1. Next, see, here I told you we were going to learn 3 concepts. In that the first concept is coin. Here when we are tossing a coin, we are getting only 2 possibilities, either head or tail. Head means the face one, and tail means the back side where we have the number, that is called as tail. Okay, now we can see the possibility of getting head is 1 by 2 because total 2 possibilities are there, and possibility of getting tail is also 1 by 2. When we are having more than one coin, okay, then we have to use one formula. See, it is 2 power n. 2, why? Because we have total 2 possibilities, so I am taking 2. Power n means how many coins? So first it was 1 coin, so 2 power 1 will be 2. So 2 possibilities. Now we have 2 coins. You can see here 2 coins. So 2 power 2 will be 4. So total 4 possibilities. First coin has shown head, second also head. First coin we are having tail, second also tail. and first coin we are having head and second tail, or we have first coin tail and second head. So total we have total 4 possibilities. So if I am giving the question, find the probability of getting both the heads on the coin, so it is 1 by 4. Okay, or both the tails, it is 1 by 4, or getting one head and one tail, it is 1 and 2, 2 possibilities, so 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Similarly for 3 coins we will have 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 possibilities. Here we have given the number of possibilities. So in this case, the different possibilities, if I am telling the possibility of getting 2 heads, so find out the 2 heads. So this is first one, this is second one, this is the third one. So in 3 cases we are having, so 3 by 8. Okay, clear this much? So after this we will go on the dice. Now if we have one die, it is called as die, not dice. Dice is the plural form of die. Okay, so if when we a single die is thrown, there is total how many possibilities? 6 possibilities. So possibility of getting 1 will be 1 by 6, possibility of getting 5 will be 1 by 6, possibility of getting 6 on a dice will be also 1 by 6. So any probability of one of them will be 1 by 6. But here in the same case, when we having 2 dice, so 2 dice means power will be 2, but what will be the number down? Because one die was having 6 possibilities, so 6 power 2, that is 6 into 6, it is 36. So total 36 possibilities is possible when we are throwing 2 dice together. 2 dice together we are having a games, in that we are also playing it. So one die is showing 1, second die is showing 1, one die is showing 1, second die is showing 2. So if I am telling you, find out the probability of getting same number on both the dice. So it is 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. So total how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 possibilities out of total 36 possibilities. So 6 upon 36, reduce it 1 upon 6. Clear this much? Next we will go on cards. See, the card's name I have given you because you might be knowing the Hindi name, but you should know the English name also. In exam they are asking sometimes. So if you know the name, it is good for you. So this tree shaped card is club card, this is diamond card, this is heart card, and this is spade card. Okay, there are total 4 categories in this, and each category is of 13 units. There are total 13 cards in each category. Okay, now I shown here the table. See here, total cards 52. In that we have red color 26, black color 26. So if the question is asked, find the probability of getting red color cards. So red color cards are 26. 26 upon 52. Reduce it, you will get the value. So that value, it's 1 upon 2. Okay. Same way, if they are asking you club card, you can also write that 13 upon 52. Reduce it 1 upon 4. Okay, same way here also there are, in black we have club and spade, in red we have heart and diamond. Okay, next face or picture cards. Sometimes they are asking face cards, sometimes they are asking picture cards. There are, see, face cards, picture cards, see, king K, queen Q, and jack J. These 3 cards are having pictures on it, and this is found in each category. So each category has king, queen, and jack, that is 1 1 each. So we have total 4 king, 4 queen, and 4 jack. So which is called as face or picture cards. There are total in all 12 cards of face cards. So if it is asked to find the probability of getting face cards, so it will be 12 upon 52. Total will be 52 only. Okay. Now ace cards. Ace means this A1, A card. So there are total in each category 1 1. So total 4 cards are ace cards. So if it is asked not an ace means ace नहीं है, तो 52 में से 4 कार्ड को निकाल दो, जो बचा आपका वो बन जाएगा नॉट एन एस. ओके, इसका दूसरा मेथड भी है जो मैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में आपको बताऊंगी कैसे फाइंड आउट करना. नाउ एस कार्ड्स आर टोटल 4, पिक्चर कार्ड्स आर टोटल 12. Okay, so related example 2 questions I have given. More we will study in our next lecture. See there, find the probability of getting number greater than 4 on throwing a dice once. So if we throw dice once, so getting more than 4 numbers are 5 and 6, that is total 2 possibility. So 2 possibility, probability of event will be 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Okay, you have to reduce it. Reduction is necessary. So one card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find probability that the card will be an ace of black color. See, only ace is not all, ace of black color. So ace total 4 cards are there. and out of it black are 2 cards. So probability of event will be 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. So total we have 2 examples. Rest according to the question. Some examples I have given orally. Now we will do in next part the exercise questions and the example questions of the textbook. For now, thank you.